loves, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. I want to say welcome and hi to my returning and new watchers and subscribers. Thank you so much for coming. If you're new to the channel and like the content, please click like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's the join button. And you can also join as a member. There's more information on that. You click that same subscribe join button, and I have a video explaining that as well. And thank you and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. And I wanted to show you this month of July's Darn Good Yarn subscription. So I have their monthly yarn subscription. This is the yarn of the month for this month. It's very pretty. And let's get to talking about it. It's nice and soft. It's a nice purple, like a fuchsia sort of, and then it has strands of sort of like a dark blue navy and then a darker purple spun in between. I hope you can see that. And yes, that's my doggy playing, Jupiter. So they categorize this as a number 4 weight worsted yarn, 2-ply. I honestly think it's kind of thin. I think it's more like a 3-weight yarn personally. I didn't do the wraps per inch, but I think it's on the thinner side. It's like a light 3, closer to a 2-weight. The colorway is called Divine Chaos. There we go. Did it focus? There, it focused now. Yeah, worsted weight recycled silk yarn. It's from Reclaimed Saris. And it's 50 grams or 75 yards, 1.8 ounces or 68 meters. Stop it. Leave it alone. Thank you. And hand wash, lay flat to dry. They recommend to use, I think that's a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, an I9 or a 5 millimeter US 8 knitting needles, but it's really small. It's hard to read. Focus. Sorry. There we go. Sorry, he decided to make all like there. That's more readable. All sorts of weird noises. It says this goddess, it's inspired by the goddess series Kali. I think the subscription is 3 hanks for 25 bucks a month. You can decide if you want an extra one for $8. I think the shipping within the US is $3.95, but you could check all that on their website. It says Divine Chaos is a charged tribute to Kali, the goddess who dances on the edge of destruction and rebirth. This worsted weight yarn embodies the fierce energy of transformation, where chaos clears the way for clarity. Spun from 2-ply recycled silk, this yarn glows with the otherworldly intensity. It's soft enough for soul-soothing stitches, but bold enough to awaken your wildest objective, maybe? Personally, for me, Kali, it would have more black and brown and dark red, like a nice beautiful blood red or like a burgundy. Yes, the purple's nice, but I feel like the colorway needs to be darker. That's just me. That's my interpretation of it. The free gift, we also get like a free gift. We got these little tags. They say handmade. I think you sew them on to your different makes. That's nice. I think they're leather. So they look like this. They're cute. And we get a 35% off coupon code. They email that to us now, and we also get like 2 free patterns that come. And then Fridays they also release free patterns. So that's the booklet that came with it. There's a depiction of Kali. The pattern. And then that's pretty much reading the same thing. says Divine Chaos, liberate. Divine Chaos is a bold invocation of the goddess Kali, fierce protector, mother of liberation, and mistress of transformation. Hand-dyed in stormy purples, dusky lilacs, and void black shadows, this worsted weight yarn channels the sacred duality of creation and destruction. Each skein pulses with wild beauty, evoking the swirling energy of Kali's cosmic dance, where endings become beginnings and darkness births light. Spun with strength and softness, Divine Chaos is perfect for projects that call for presence and power, shawls with purpose, statements, sweaters, or ritual-inspired accessories. The colors shift with a mystical unpredictability, mirroring the divine forces that they represent. Let each stitch be an offering, a reckoning, a rebirth. Would you like a shorter version for tags or promotional captions too? I don't know why that last sentence was in there. The knit pattern they offer for this month is a blue violet beach tote. That's what it looks like. It's pretty. I would have liked a crochet version. And the crochet pattern for this month is the yucca flower shawl, which is pretty, but I don't really get a good sense of what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is exactly what it looks like when it's not, you know, on someone or wrapped up. But yeah. And then they mention the designer in the back. And that's the designer. So, and yeah, they have a Facebook group and all that. So, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, folks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. No, I don't have anything close by that I finished that I can show you guys. I know I need to do another video soon, showing some of my recent makes. Still been really busy and really tired, so I haven't had a chance to do that yet. And I have other unboxing videos to do as well when I get a chance. So, thanks so much for watching, and take care. Have a good night or good day. Bye.